Welcome to HR Insider Africa, your guide to navigating the future of work on the continent. We're in the middle of a digital gold rush, and if you're part of Gen Z, you're sitting on a gold mine of opportunity. The digital landscape is shifting rapidly, and with your native understanding of technology, social media, and online culture, you are uniquely positioned to not just participate, but to lead. Traditional career paths are being redrawn, and the concept of a job is evolving. It's no longer just about a 9-to-5. It's about leveraging your digital skills to create multiple streams of income, build wealth, and achieve financial independence on your own terms. Forget waiting for permission. The tools are in your hands, the market is ready, and the time to act is now. In this video, we're going to break down 4 specific, high-potential side hustles that you can start this week to begin earning weekly payouts. These aren't just get-rich-quick schemes. These are legitimate business models capitalizing on the biggest trends in the African tech and business ecosystems. So, if you're ready to move from consumer to creator and from employee to entrepreneur, stay tuned. Let's unlock your potential. First up, let's talk about a role that didn't even exist a few years ago, but is now one of the most in-demand skills: AI prompt engineering. What is it? In simple terms, it's the art and science of communicating effectively with artificial intelligence. Think of it as being a translator between human ideas and AI models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Claude. The quality of the output you get from AI depends entirely on the quality of the prompt you give it. As more businesses across Africa integrate AI into their operations, from marketing and content creation to data analysis and customer service, they desperately need people who can craft the perfect prompts to get the desired results. This is where you come in. You can specialize in creating detailed, effective prompts for specific tasks. For example, a marketing agency in Lagos might need a series of prompts to generate a month's worth of social media content for a new fintech client. A design firm in Nairobi might need prompts to create stunning visuals for a real estate project. Your job is to understand the need, craft the prompt, test it, and refine it. So, how do you monetize this? You can sell your specialized prompt packages on marketplaces like PromptBase or Gumroad. You create a bundle of prompts, say, 50 AI prompts for e-commerce product descriptions, or the ultimate prompt pack for startup pitch decks, and sell it as a digital product. Once it's up, it can generate passive income. For more active income, you can freelance on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, offering your services as a dedicated prompt engineer for businesses. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for this expertise because it saves them immense time and resources. The best part? You can start today. Begin by experimenting with free AI tools, learn the principles of good prompting, build a small portfolio of your best work, and start marketing your skills. The demand is here, and it's growing every single day. Next, let's dive into the world of user-generated content, or UGC. If you're on TikTok or Instagram, you're already consuming it daily. Now it's time to create it and get paid for it. UGC is authentic, relatable content created by everyday people, not by the brands themselves. And businesses, especially in emerging markets across Africa, are hungry for it. Why? Because it builds trust. A video of you genuinely using and reviewing a new skincare product from a Ghanaian brand is far more convincing than a polished, expensive ad. This is a massive opportunity. Brands are actively looking for creators to make short, simple videos for their social media pages, ads, and websites. You don't need a huge following. In fact, many brands prefer micro-influencers, or even just regular customers, because their content feels more authentic. Your value is in your ability to create a video that looks and feels real. So, how do you get started and earn those weekly checks? First, identify brands you genuinely like and use. Create a few sample videos showcasing their products. Think unboxings, tutorials, or honest reviews. Make them short, engaging, and mobile first. Vertical video is key. Then, build a portfolio. This can be a simple Google Drive folder or a dedicated page on a site like Canva or Card. Once you have your portfolio, Start reaching out. You can DM brands on Instagram, email their marketing departments, or join dedicated UGC platforms where brands post job listings. Your pitch is simple. I can create high-quality, authentic video content for your brand that will resonate with your audience. You can charge per video or offer packages. For example, 3 videos for a set price. As you build your reputation, brands will start coming to you, and you can secure retainer deals for consistent weekly work. This side hustle leverages skills you already have, using your phone and talking about products you love, and turns them into a reliable income stream. Our third side hustle taps into a growing need in our hyper-connected world: digital wellness coaching. As we spend more of our lives online, the issues of digital fatigue, burnout, and information overload are becoming major concerns. Not just for individuals, but for corporations. Companies across the continent are recognizing that their employees' mental health and productivity are directly linked to their digital habits. This has created a surge in demand for corporate wellness programs, and a key component of that is digital wellness. As a digital wellness coach, your role is to help individuals and teams build healthier relationships with technology. This isn't about abandoning technology. It's about using it mindfully and intentionally. You could run workshops, either online or in person, on topics like how to beat digital distractions and deepen focus, mindful social media use, or the art of the digital detox. You could offer one-on-one coaching sessions to help executives manage their email overload or help teams establish healthier communication protocols. The market is vast. Think of tech startups in Cape Town, financial institutions in Johannesburg, or multinational corporations with offices in Accra. They are all looking for ways to improve employee well-being and performance. To get started, you need to build your expertise. Research the science behind digital wellness, mindfulness, and habit formation. You can even get certified through various online programs to boost your credibility. Then, develop your offerings. Create a clear menu of services: a 1-hour lunch and learn workshop, a half-day team training, a 3-month coaching package. Start by offering a free introductory session to a local company or a small business to get a testimonial. Use LinkedIn to connect with HR managers and learning and development leaders, sharing valuable content about digital wellness to establish yourself as an authority. This is a side hustle with a real impact, helping people reclaim their time and attention while building a profitable business. Finally, let's talk about a more entrepreneurial route: micro SaaS and app flipping. Don't let the name intimidate you. SaaS stands for software as a service, and a micro SaaS is simply a small, focused digital tool that solves a very specific problem. Think of a simple browser extension that helps you manage your tabs, a small Shopify app that adds a specific feature to an e-commerce store, or a simple web tool that converts file types. Flipping is the process of buying something, improving it, and selling it for a profit. In this context, you can either build a small tool from scratch or buy an existing one, enhance it, and then sell it. The beauty of this model lies in its agility. You're not trying to build the next Facebook. You're creating or improving a small, valuable asset that can be sold relatively quickly. Platforms like MicroAcquire or Flippa are marketplaces where you can buy and sell these small digital businesses. Let's say you have some basic coding skills, or are willing to learn using no-code tools like Bubble or Adalo. You could identify a common frustration among a niche group. For instance, freelance writers who need a better way to track their pitches. You could build a simple web app to solve that problem. Once it has a small user base and maybe a little monthly recurring revenue, you can list it for sale. Buyers are often entrepreneurs or investment groups looking for promising projects they can scale. Alternatively, you could browse the marketplaces for undervalued projects. Maybe you find a simple app with a good concept but a poor user interface. You could buy it for a few $100 or a few $1,000s, hire a designer to improve the UI UX, grow the user base a bit, and then relist it for a significantly higher price. This hustle requires an entrepreneurial mindset, the ability to spot opportunities, solve problems, and understand value. It's a faster path to a significant payout than building a large startup from the ground up, and it's a perfect fit for the tech-savvy, agile nature of Gen Z. So there you have it. 4 powerful side hustles you can start right now to tap into the digital gold rush. We've covered AI prompt engineering, monetizing your communication skills with AI. We've looked at user-generated content, turning your knack for creating authentic videos into cash. We've explored digital wellness coaching, addressing a critical need in the modern workplace. And we've discussed micro SAAS flipping, the fast track to digital entrepreneurship. Each of these paths leverages skills that are native to your generation and are in high demand across the African continent and beyond. The key is to stop being just a consumer of digital content and start being a creator of digital value. Your journey to financial independence doesn't have to wait for the perfect job or a lottery win. It starts today, with the tools you already have and the knowledge you can quickly acquire. So, what's your first step? Pick one of these ideas that resonates with you. Just one. Spend the rest of today researching it. Spend this weekend building a small portfolio or a basic plan. Spend next week reaching out to your first potential client or listing your first digital product. The momentum you build now will compound over time. This is your invitation to take control of your financial future. Thank you for tuning in to HR Insider Africa. We believe in your potential. Now go out there and build something amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on shaping your career in the new world of work.